How to deal with insurance adjuster after a personal injury. Explain that after a personal injury, dealing with insurance adjuster is a critical part of the claim process. Insurance adjusters are hired by insurance companies to evaluate your claim and determine how much compensation you should receive. Emphasizing that well adjusters are there to assess your claim. Their goal is to often to minimize the amount the insurance company has to pay out. Understanding how to handle them is essential to ensuring you get a fair settlement. Stay calm and professional. Advise the audience to remain calm and professional when communicating with insurance adjuster. This include phone calls, emails, or in personal meetings. Remind them that adjuster may try to make the process feel casual or less formal to make it easier for them to downplay the claim. Keeping emotions in check help prevent missteps that could hurt the case. Suggest that if the adjuster pressure them, they politely ask for time to consider any offer or request. Be careful what you say. Stress that anything said to an insurance adjuster can be used against you. Insurance companies often look for a small detail or inconsistencies in a statement to reduce or deny the claim. Advise the audience to stick to the fact. If the adjuster asks about a specific, respond truthfully but avoid elaborating unnecessarily or speculating on things they are unsure about. Mention that it's okay to say, I am not sure, or I will need to check with my doctors or lawyers if uncertain about anything. Don't settle too quickly. Explain that insurance adjuster might offer a quick settlement, sometimes even before you have fully understood the extent of your injuries. These initial offers are often lower than what you might actually be entitled to. Encourage the audience not to accept the first offer without consulting with a lawyer or medical professionals to ensure the full impact of their injuries is understood. Advise that it is important to take the times to evaluate all damage, including medical bills, lost wage, and pain and suffering, before ar- arranging to any settlement. Document everything. highlight the importance of keeping detailed record throughout the process. This include medical records, all documents related to treatment and recovery, and communication with the insurance company. Keep a log of all conversation, letters, emails, or forms submitted, photo and other evidence. If possible, gather photo of injuries, accident scene, or damaged property to provide context and support your claim. Remind them that good documentation strengthens their case and ensure they can counter any attempts to minimize the claim. Consult an attorney. Explain that while insurance adjuster might try to convince claim, claimants to handle things on their own, hiring a personal injury lawyer is one of the best way to protect their interest. A lawyer can negotiate with the adjuster on behalf of the client, ensuring the settlement offer is fair and covered all damage. Mention that a lawyer can also advise whether the settlement offer is reasonable and if they should pursue further legal action. Recap the key points. Stay calm and professional. Be careful with your statement. Don't accept quick settlement. Document everything and consult a lawyer if necessary. Remind the audience that insurance adjusters are not necessarily on their side, and it is important to be prepared to protect their rights and ensure a fair settlement. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share it with your friends and families. Thanks for watching this video.